Salutogenic. So, kanina is salutogenic architecture. So, anong meaning ng salutogenic? So, yung salutogenic daw is health origins and well-being. So, yung saluto parang yun yung health, no? Health and well-being, and then yung Genesis is, alam naman natin, Genesis is beginning. Beginning ng health, origins of health and well-being. Doon ang focus nun. Imbis na mag-focus sa disease prevention, pinag-uusapan doon yung health at well-being ng isang tao. So, yan. Parte yan ng sa PWD, meron tayong salutogenic concerns. Ayan, meron tayong bagong vocabulary na pwede nating magamit. At meron tayong mga batas, yung ramp, yung easy accessibility, yan. Salutogenic concerns pala yan, no, sa PWD. So, yun lang po.